Vivi, I have a question for you. For a one shot, let's say they have three characters. Because I think this is observable with a lot of the stories. Sometimes the second character seems to overpower the main character. What is it that they
Mm.
can do so that their supporting character supports the main
Mm.
character instead of outshining them?
Oh. I wonder, do you have any example? If you don't know,
Mm,
it's okay. But so you're
like
saying when the side character takes the spotlight from.
the main character. I think one of my examples would be
Mm.
if you remember Cyrus's story with the two brothers. So the
Mm-hmm.
younger brother is supposed to be the main lead, but the older
Mm.
brother is the
Mm.
second, but he's the one who's doing all of the action. How can something like that make it so that the younger brother still is the main focus?
I think you said it without saying it, which is basically at the end, the protagonist needs to have more agency on deciding when to get involved or not to get involved. Unless it's the type of evolution of like a detached character that gets involved into a mess and learns to be more helpful to others or stuff like that. If it's that type of evolution, then yes. But if it's a hero if it's like a positive character that is just that wants to be a hero or something like that, then definitely you need to start with the character making the decisions to get involved into the trouble, let's say. At least for shonen, that's mostly it. That's how you do it. Again, unless it's some different arc that you want for your protagonist.
That's super helpful. Thank you.
No problem.
If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to finish a 16 to 24 page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call.